Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up, so line dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Good Good. The song is Good Good, the artist is USHER Summer and Summer Walker and 21 Salvage. The choreography is SHERIKA, NICOLE. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's go.
Usually my exes turn me enemies, but this is different, cause we didn't get closer now that you ain't with me. Oh, yeah, ain't no way we gon' forget that. And your family love me like I'm family, you know where you stand me, so when they ask, tell me right wrong times, can't say. You always been a real one, even though we ain't together. It was real love, and maybe it's still love. I hate that we make it to forever. Probably ain't getting back together, but that don't mean that I can't wish you better. Yeah, good, but we still good.
All the things you did for me to be your missus. All the snaps that you did on me alien. Thinking I'm gonna forget it. But what happier of all of the life is. Don't know me, I promise, but don't you drama. It didn't work, but I hope you find another. I wish you peace, I wish you good sex and good sleep. Find a girl of your dreams. Cause that's the one and I ain't knowing this living to be. Long time, we didn't try. All the things come to an end. So let's just learn the lessons and find nothing again.
I hate that we make it to forever. Probably ain't getting back together, but that don't mean that I can't wish you better. Yeah, good, but we still good. No matter who you with, I wanna see you happy. Yeah, it didn't work out, but that don't mean you should attack me. We enjoyed a 5-star meal, but you was with me for disaster. Holding me down from the start. I used to be broke, I was ashy. I had me that tired of not the shit, that's how life go. You always would say that I might blow. Got rich and I paid for your light bulb. I know the person you is, that's why I still wanna be friends. If you wanna open up a new salon, I still help pay for the wigs. And I help with the lease. You know I ain't never been cheap. Relationships don't always last, but let's not turn it to beef. I'll come through from time to time and have you grabbing them sheets. That's if you want to, I'm just playing, girl, stop smacking your teeth. 21. I hate that we didn't make it to forever. Probably ain't getting back together, but that don't mean that I can't wish you better. Good, but we still good. I realize that I can be your lover. Let's just keep it honest with each other. I'll be happy for you when you find another. Good, but we still good.
And there you go. Nice and smooth, nice and simple. Make sure you leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.